Amalungu omkhonto wesizwe abona sengathi uDuduzile Zuma akaze azafuna ukuthi uFloyd Shivambu abe u-SG womkhonto wesizwe kanye nokuthi uHlophe abe uDeputy President wawo umkhonto wesizwe. Kangangokuthi abantu abaningi babona sengathi sikhona isizathu esenza ukuthi uDuduzile Zuma ayenze ngalendlela enza ngayo. Kepha abanye bathi uDuduzile Zuma akayakhi MK kepha uyayibulala.
Kushubile, the battle lines have been drawn in MK. There is Team Floyd and there is Team Duduzile Zuma. And I must say, well played by Floyd. Ne? Floyd is playing a very smart game and he might win. Floyd might win. Remember, Floyd has been in politics for a long time, so he knows how to maneuver. Okay, let's back up a little bit. And there has been rumors about Floyd. He's being removed from the SG. Don't. Okay. I've the Fumeni gist story, and now there's a faction rising defending Floyd. There's a faction saying that we follow Jacob Zuma, but we are not going to be asizulawulwa nguDuduzile Zuma. Yebo, asizulawulwa nguDuduzile Zuma. So, hey, now the person who is in the forefront of defending uFloyd Shivambu ovuse faction yakhe, it's this guy who was expelled from the EFF, the one who was mobilizing for Ndlozi. I don't know his name. uDuduzile Zuma posted. Let's start with Duduzile Zuma because naye she naye chaotic. So uDuduzile Zuma posted the previous day. I think I showed you guys just before the new year, a few days back. In South Korea, the president has been changed 3 times. There's gonna be a 4th president. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. She posted now. Let me show you what she said. So she posted now and said, a change is coming. South Korea looks like they may get a 4th. Yes, a 4th president really soon. All within a month. Kucho uDuduzile Zuma. Okay, angenu uHank okokuqala. He posted this picture first. Watubana, we must aggressively mobilize against Dudu Zuma. She's an enemy of the revolution. Yabon? Fine. And some of the MK members are commenting there, Ubana, yeah, sizulawula nguDuduzile Zuma. Yabon? So I got the gist of the story up kulo from uHankelo, saying Ubana apparently uDuduzile Zuma never wanted Floyd to be the SG. There was someone she had in mind, Ababa Magabeng SG, and then it happened that Zuma appointed Floyd. And also apparently she doesn't want Hlope to be the deputy president. I do remember her post Ubana na high ayo account yake something about Ubana we need a younger president. We need something young, so we need someone young to be the deputy president. Now, I don't know the faction ka Duduzile Zuma kuthethwa ngayo. Uyabona? I don't believe that uDuduzile Zuma is capable of just saying, Ubana, let me just have a faction of my own within the MKP. I believe ukuthi ikhona pisukela khona lento. Uyabona? There's a reason why, and she's not alone. I am sure she's not alone. There's a reason why she has people she prefers, and I'm sure kule faction yakhe she's not alone. They've got their reasons. Because Mosi, obviously causing factions, you're dividing the party. I don't think she would want to divide the party intentionally. Yeah. So today it's Floyd's birthday. People have been saying, why have you not wished Floyd a happy birthday? And people have said, Bana, not even Umazobe can save Floyd at this point. But I saw his birthday wish comes Zobe now he's saying, Bana, happy birthday. There is no brother, no nothing. Very cold happy birthday. Only 2 lines. Okay, let's go back to Hank and his posts. So Khandle also said, anyone in the MKP who mobilizes against SG Floyd Shivambu is mobilizing against the revolution, and we will not fold our arms and sit down. We will also mobilize against them too, and we will do it 100 times faster than the speed of light. Don't bring your entitlement issues to the MKP. So Khandle has been also voicing out to Duduzile Zuma ukuthi she knows nothing about politics. She must be taken to school. The fact that she's referencing about South Korea, she must go study. Hey, Yo! And then he also posted and said, there's only one supreme leader in the MKP, and it's President Zuma, because we trust him with political power. Any armchair, I think he wanted to say amateur or something, I don't know, revolutionary who starts a war must know that the war is very difficult. There is no Minika Mala Harris here who must call for the regime change. If she wants to start war, she's gonna get it. Oh, and then he also said to her, Prince Marshall is correct. Tribalism is worse than racism because it triggers a blacks on blacks war. We agree with identity politics to some extent because they can be revolutionary. But these ones advanced by Duduzile Zuma must fall. The MKP is people's movement, not otherwise. And then there's also this account for MK. This is one of the most active accounts in Paku X. Itubana. MK High Command leadership needs to be honest about Duduzile Zuma contribution to the party currently. She isn't building, she's destroying. So what I've been seeing now, I'm seeing ukuthi there's a rise in the faction that is against Duduzile Zuma. That's why in the city, if Floyd is playing this game, he's playing it very smart because Floyd has now Floyd has sort of taken people's hearts and people's minds. So it's the people that are gonna fight for him. Yeah, but hence I'm saying he played a very smart game. Yeah, but because now if we go to Obana, okay, fine, Duduzile Zuma, who do you want to be the SG? Because people must choose. I think maybe it's gonna get to that point. People must choose who must be the SG. Must it be Floyd Shivambu or must it be Lomtu Ufunwayo? And because Floyd has played his card so well, people are gonna rise and defend him. That's what I'm seeing. The faction that is defending Floyd is rising. Hebe tunana. Siyahleka sizifighters. Pasimane city ha 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 ha. Simane City, ha 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 ha. Hey! Yo! I never thought I would see the day. And there's people who are saying, yeah, why are you laughing? You're smiling. Bekumnandi nihleka. Benicimba asizonwangamela izidoms. Bekumnandi nihleka. Aziche. My worry is, are you guys strong enough to withhold? Someone said, this thing might implode the MK if President Zuma doesn't play it smart, because also now who is president gonna listen to? Duduzile Zuma okanye uzomamela elicala lika Floyd? I mean, there's just a lot. There's too much.